Hello everyone. In this video, we're diving into ElevenLabs prompts, where we'll explore how to add pacing, pausing, yelling, and whispering effects to your text-to-speech. Let's jump right in. First up, let's talk about adding pauses. You can achieve this by simply using dashes between your sentences like this. Let's hear how it sounds.
This is how you can add pause.
Experiment with the pacing to find the right balance for your content. Next, ellipses can create a sense of uncertainty or hesitation. Let's type, I guess so, with ellipses. Let's hear it.
I guess so.
The ellipses indicate a pause or uncertainty in the speaker's tone. Now let's explore adding emotions to our text-to-speech. You can convey emotions like confusion or anger by using specific cues. For example, you can use a question mark for confusion and an exclamation mark for anger. The tone of voice changes to reflect the intended emotion.
Are you sure about that? Don't test me.
You can also indicate whispering or yelling by using parentheses. To make the AI voice whisper, type a paragraph like this using parentheses. Remember, the effectiveness of these prompts may vary depending on the voice you choose.
Shouting, "Don't do that."
Whispering, "Don't do that."
Experiment with different options to find the perfect fit for your content. And there you have it. A quick guide to using ElevenLabs prompts to enhance your text-to-speech experience. Don't forget to click the link in the description to try ElevenLabs for free.